Briefly describe about market research and niche validation strategy. Market research and niche validation strategy involves gathering and analyzing information to assess the viability and potential demand for a specific niche or course topic. Here's a brief overview of the process. Identify your niche. Define the niche or course topic you're interested in exploring. Consider your expertise, interests, and the needs of your target audience. Competitive analysis. Research existing courses and content within your niche to identify competitors and understand what's already available in the market. Analyze their strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and target audience. Audience research. Conduct thorough research to understand your target audience's demographics, interests, preferences, and pain points. Use surveys, interviews, social media analysis, and keyword research to gather insights. Validate demand. Validate the demand for your niche by assessing indicators such as search volume, keyword popularity, social media engagement, and industry trends. Look for evidence of people actively seeking information or solutions related to your niche. Identify unique selling proposition, USP. Determine what sets your course apart from existing offerings in the market. Identify your unique selling proposition, USP, or value proposition that differentiates your course and makes it compelling to your target audience. Minimum viable product, MVP. Consider creating a minimum viable product, MVP, or pilot version of your course to test the market and gather feedback from early adopters. This allows you to validate your course concept and make adjustments before investing significant time and resources. Pricing strategy. Determine the pricing strategy for your course based on factors such as the perceived value, competitive landscape, and target audience's willingness to pay. Consider offering early bird discounts or limited time offers to incentivize enrollment during the launch phase. Iterate and improve. Continuously monitor market trends, gather feedback from students and customers, and iterate on your course content and marketing strategies. Be open to making adjustments based on new insights and changing market dynamics. By following these steps, course creators can conduct effective market research and niche validation to ensure there's a demand for their course topic and that they're well positioned to attract and serve their target audience effectively.